Unlock the power of efficient messaging on WhatsApp. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to create and send a broadcast message to multiple contacts at once. Let's dive in and make your communication seamless. Hello, everyone. Today, we'll walk through the simple steps to send a broadcast message on WhatsApp. Follow along to efficiently share your messages with multiple contacts at once. First things first, open your WhatsApp application on your device. In the chat window, locate and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. These dots represent additional options for managing your chats. Among the options that appear, select New Broadcast. This will initiate the process of creating a broadcast list for your message. Now, you'll see your contact list. Choose the contacts to whom you want to send the broadcast message. You have the flexibility to select multiple chats. After selecting the desired contacts, tap on the check icon or any other confirmation icon provided in your WhatsApp version. This confirms your selection and moves you to the next step. Congratulations! You've now created a broadcast list with the selected contacts. This means you can send a message to all the participants at once. And that's it. You've successfully set up a broadcast list on WhatsApp, allowing you to efficiently send messages to multiple contacts simultaneously. Feel free to use this feature to streamline your communication. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below.